and welcome back to our class. For today's lesson, we will be talking about seasons and weather vocabulary. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so that you'll be notified every time I will upload videos. Thank you so much. Now let's get started.
Now let's talk about seasons and weather vocabulary. The 4 seasons are described here, but in many places around the world, there are only 2 seasons. If there are only 2 seasons, we usually describe them as rainy season or wet season and the dry season. Spring. The seasons between winter and summer in the USA from April to June, when plants and trees begin to bloom. Summer. The seasons in between spring and autumn in the USA from July to September, when the weather is warm or hot. Autumn or fall. The seasons in between summer and winter in the USA from October to December. In many places, the leaves turn colors and fall off the trees. Winter. The seasons between fall and spring in the USA from January to March, when the weather is the coldest. Now let's have the vocabulary. Sunny. The sun shines clearly in the sky and there is lots of bright light. Cloudy. There are many clouds in the sky. We also can say the sky is overcast when it is very cloudy. Partly cloudy, when there is both sun and clouds in the sky. Rain, when weather falls from the clouds. Light rain, when there is a small amount of rain. We also call light rain drizzle or sprinkles. Heavy rain, when there is a lot of rain. Freezing rain or sleet, when part of the rain is water and part of the rain is frozen or snow. Thunderstorm, a storm with thunder and lightning, also called an electrical storm. Lightning, the flash of light in the sky during a storm. Thunder, the loud noise in the sky that comes after lightning. We say lightning strikes and call the flash of light a lightning bolt. Fog. Small drops of water that float above the ground, and it can be difficult to see through this mist of water. Windy. When there is a lot of wind, strong light, collocate with the word wind in English. Frost, a thin layer of ice that forms on surfaces. Example, grass, ground, windows of a car when the air is very cold. Snow, soft light pieces of frozen rain that fall from the sky when it is cold. Blizzard, a severe snowstorm with a large amount of snow and often high winds. Tornado, a powerful storm where very high winds move around in a circle around a point. Hurricane, a very powerful and destructive storm that has extremely high winds. Forest fire, a major uncontrolled fire that sweeps through a wooded area or forest, burning many trees and wildlife. Flood, a large amount of water that covers land that is usually dry. Tsunami, an extremely high wave in the ocean that is often caused by an earthquake and causes great devastation when it reaches land, also called a tidal wave. Volcanic eruption, a sudden explosion that comes from the open part of a volcano. Thermometer, an instrument used to measure the temperature. Celsius and Fahrenheit are the 2 main scales used to measure the temperature in the United States. The weather is reported in Fahrenheit.
So that's it. I hope you learned something from our lesson today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much and see you next time.